How to fix the mouse connecting and disconnecting issue in Windows 11. First, you need to open up the power option, the edit power plan. So click this and go to power option right here and make sure to click on this change plan setting and go to change advanced power setting. From here, you will need to expand this USB setting and USB select setting as well. So make sure that you have disabled on plugin and even in battery as well. So click on apply and press on OK. You are done with this. Now right click on the start, go to device manager, and then click on this human interface device and expand it. So here is the USB input device that you have inputted all the USB. So you need to figure out which one is mouse. So in my case, this one is mouse, and go to power management and make sure to uncheck this allow computer to turn off. So whenever you guys are doing this, disconnect all the USB so that you are not confused. All right, so just disconnect all the USB that you have connected, and if you still have the issue, then you will need to uninstall the mouse driver. To uninstall the mouse driver, you need to go to this mouse and auto pointing device and select the mouse that you are using and simply right click and uninstall the device and make sure to uninstall. And after you have uninstalled, simply restart your computer and it should resolve your issue. It's that simple to fix disconnecting and connecting mouse. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.